Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today is an unwrapping video and it's also a what TF did I order? So we are going to open it and find out together. They definitely chose pretty packaging. Very colorful. It looks like it's double packed, so either this is an invoice or a thank you note. Let's see. That is an invoice. And let's see what's inside. Guess that's a good thing. It's double packaged. Packaged with care. Definitely don't want to cut it up. Let's see, y'all, what it is. Oh, y'all, this is another cutie pie. It is an itsy bitsy. A bitsy bag, y'all. This is a chevron bitsy bag. I saw this. Oh my goodness. I thought it was so cute. I haven't even seen a big chevron bag like this. So let's inspect it, y'all, and see if it was a good purchase or not. If it's not coming across on video, this is in black and white. So far, I don't see any dirt or bumps or scrapes or anything on the bottom. Front looks good. There goes the Dooney and Burke there. The metal logo plate. Looks like I see a small speck of like pink right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll try to get that out. The back looks good. I don't see any flaws, stains, cuts. It is trimmed in Saffiano leather. And the purse itself is, I believe, the chevrons are coated cotton also. So let's take a look inside, test out the zipper. Stiff zipper, I guess that's a good sign. Like new to me. Okay, she looks like she put something else inside. Oh, the tags, y'all. So this is considered new with tags. Let's see. So she gave put that there. Yes, the tags. Okay. Oh, and the date. So that lets me know how old the purse is. So this purse is from 2016, y'all. And it was $485 out of 500 made at that time. Black bitsy bag. The numbers match. And that was the price at the time. Cool. Okay. And hang tags also in here. So this is a new with tags purchased. Good deal. Let's see what's in here. Oops. Feels like it's possibly a charm. Let's see. Aww. That's cute. A little thank you note. And is this a necklace? I thought it was a charm. It looks like a necklace. I'll have to unravel it or unhook it to check it out. An anchor of hope. That's cute. Okay, yeah, that's a necklace. That's a nice free gift. Cute, cute, cute. Anchor of hope. How sweet. All right, y'all, back to the purse. Put this back in here. All right, so let's check out the inside. It looks clean and new to me. I love a black and white bag, y'all. Flip pocket on the front. The strap is in here. It looks good with the white stitching. The full straps, because it can divide into two or be reduced to a shorter length. So the full straps in here. Let's see, pockets inside zippers clean. It looks good, y'all. So in all, I'm happy with my purchase. I have been looking at the chevrons on the ILD site, and I wasn't sure which color I wanted, but when I saw this one on eBay and I saw that the base of it was black, I thought that was very unique. And I was a little hesitant at first because the ones on online on the Dooney website, I believe the base is like a more of a raw or tan leather color. So to see this bottom being black, I really had to look at the pictures really hard. So it looks real, y'all. Came with tags and it's clean. I'm still gonna sanitize it, but in all, I think it was a good purchase. Let me know if y'all think this is a cutie or not. I'm definitely glad to add it to my collection. I am loving Bitsies. And I look forward to carrying this one. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for unwrapping with me and inspecting with me and finding out what TF I ordered. I really do appreciate the likes, comments, and sharing, and I really appreciate you subscribing as well. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video, and have a wonderful day.